All right, pre-algebra, lesson 90, surface area of a right solid. Surface area. When they say surface area, what they mean is total surface area. Total surface area of a three-dimensional object is the front, the back, the top, and the bottom. Okay? Let's look at 90.1. Find the surface area of the right triangle solid shown. Dimensions are in meters. Okay? So let's do our best to draw out this triangle really quick. It's like a normal triangle with lines going back from here, and then going back like this, and going straight down right here, and straight down right there. Perfect, right? Not really, but we'll do the best we can. All right, 4, 3, 5, and 16. 4, 3, 5, and 16. Now notice it's not going to have a top, but I do want to label everything else. Okay? Let's go ahead and do the front, the back, right side, left side, and the big old bottom. Okay? So a couple ways to do this. When they're trying to find the total surface area, they're saying if you just find the perimeter of the object and times it how tall it is, you're going to find the total answer. Okay? So what they do is, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Let's look at the front. The base is 3, the height is 4. The formula is base times height divided by 2. 3 times 4 is 12, divided by 2 is 6. So the front is 6, the back is 6. The right side is going to be 5 times 16. 5 times 16, which is 30. 5 times 1 is 3 plus, 5 times 1 is 1 plus 3 is 8. So the right side is 80. The left side is not 80, okay? Because it doesn't go up 5 times 16. The other side would be 4 times 16. 4 times 16 is 24. Carry the 2. Whoa. 4 times 1 plus 2 is 6. 64 for the left side. And the bottom is going to be 3 times 16. 3 times 16 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. 48. Adding all these numbers together is going to be 204. 204. The other way they did it, which is the lateral surface area, which I wouldn't worry about right now, okay? Look at 90.2. Find the lateral surface area, okay? Lateral surface area. When we say lateral surface area, we just mean, if this is an object right here, we're not talking about the top, we're not talking about the bottom, we're talking about the sum of all the sides. That's the lateral surface area. Not the top, not the bottom, but the areas of all the sides, okay? So here's my figure. Just like that. 6, 8, 8, and 3. 6, 8, 8, and 3. Okay? So the trick with this one is if I find the perimeter of the object, my perimeter or circumference, they're both the same thing, perimeter or circumference times the height equals my lateral surface area. So if I found the distance around this object and times by how tall it is, I basically know the height, because what I'm doing is I'm like cutting a corner right here and I'm unfolding it all the way out. If I know how long the entire line is, and I know how tall it is, I'll find out my answer pretty quick, okay? So the height is always found where in the sentence, right? Notice it's 30 feet high. And that's going to go over here, so it's going to be times 30. Let's put this down here. Times 30 equals what my answer is going to be. So now you find the perimeter, the distance around the object. It's pretty easy. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. And so now I need a formula for figuring this out. What's my answer, Sophia? What's my formula for a circumference of a semicircle? You don't know? Okay. Annabelle, how about you? Well, you don't remember either? Okay. So it is going to be pi times diameter divided by 2. Remember, I'm not trying to solve the area, I'm trying to solve the circumference. So I use diameter, okay? So what's the diameter? It's not 3, Sophia. It's 6, right? So it's going to be 6 times 3.14. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 1 plus 2 is 8, and 6 times 3 is 18. Not done yet. Don't forget to divide by 2. Okay? Half of 18 is 9, half of 8 is 4, and half of 4 is 2. Okay? So I've got 9.42. I'm going to add that to my 22, the distance around so far, 9.42, 0.00, 0.42. 9 plus 2 is 11. 2 plus 1 is 3. That's 31.42. That's the circumference. That's not my answer, right? That's the perimeter. It's 31.42 times 30. And when I do that, my answer should be, if I do it in my head, 942.6 feet cubed. Okay? I want you to pause the video and do the practice problem right now. Right now. All right, now that you've completed the practice, they said the figure shown is a base of a right solid who's 40 meters high. 40 meters high. What's the lateral surface area? They're not asking for the total surface area. Don't include the top or the bottom. Just the distance. And they were so simple to you. If you got this wrong, you ought to sit there and cry. Because they told you it's 4, 4, 4, 3, and 3. There's no formulas to use. It's just going to be 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3. I add those together. I times by 40. And that's my answer. And my answer should be meters squared. And practice 90 should be 720 meters squared. If you got it wrong, hit yourself in the head and try it again. And that is problem set 90, your last lesson in this 2-week and hopefully last increment. I will see you soon. Bye.